have to hold her again this time. Oh. Oh, Tutu. Oh, Tutu.
It went off.
Yes.
You see mommy?
Hey, baby.
Good job.
Okay, you're done, baby. Janae, come here, baby.
I'm going to fill this vaccine for you. It's going to have a copy of all your African procedures. You're going to listen to ears 2 times a day with the solution.
Okay.
Leave them for 6 to 8 weeks before you change them out.
Okay. Hey, what do you think about that?
You're brave.
What do you think about Anaya getting her ears pierced? Is that cool? Okay. Well, you look very ready. You look really cool too. What about you? What'd you think about her getting her ears pierced?
I like that one.
You want to watch Dora?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, which one was it? The 3?
Okay, bye. That